Hi, good morning. We are the Master Cleaners. My name is Gino.
And I am Vanna.
This is Vanna. Na-discover namin that itong area na to ay infected with virus.
Talaga?
Yes! Correct. So we are going to do a black light test para po malaman natin kung sino sa inyo yung infected.
Okay, my name is Vanna. Good day to everybody. Good day. Wow, I have a lively crowd. Anyway, did you know that germs? Medyo negative. Yeah, germs. Germs can kill people. It can be anywhere. It cannot be seen, so you will never know. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, simulan natin dito kila ma'am. Nawala yung ilaw.
Wala.
Hindi kaya,
May virus, hindi kinaya.
Matay ng virus ka, ma'am.
Yung hands po natin, ma'am. Can we see your hands?
Eh, kaso pasmado.
Okay lang po. Oh, yan, ma'am. Oh.
Galing kayo kasi
Oh. See? Oh, tingnan nyo, no? Tingnan nyo.
kita, oh.
Oh. Ayan, no? Oh, how about you, ma'am? Can I see your hands? Patay tayo dyan. Patay tayo dyan. Did you know that you can save one life every 20 seconds? Isang buhay ang maliligtas nyo
20 seconds lang
sa
yun.
2 segundo. You lose 923.7 pesos every year just because your house is dirty. Okay? 20 million Filipinos don't clean toilets. Tama ba kayo doon sa 20 million?
Yung mga bahay niyo ba? Malinis ba yung toilet niyan?
An average Filipino worker spends 192. Okay? Yung mga handles ng mga pintuan natin, nakikita nyo yung mga ganyan, yun yung mga common touch points. So palaging hinahawakan niya ng tao. Direct contact yan sa tao. Ito yung papasok sa pinto. Diba? Yung mga kamay niyan, may mga germs.
Yun yun, remember po yun, yung difference nung dalawa. Cleaning and disinfecting. Kala mo clean na. Kasi nakita mo clean na. But not yet. You need to disinfect. Important po yun. And with that, syempre, tutulungan tayo ng ating partner. We have the all-purpose cleaner, the Lysol, and then we got the other pa.
Lysol,
The other one.
disinfectant spray.
Ayan, the spray. Kills 99.9 bacteria.
Germs and bacteria.
Germs and
Alright?
viruses.
So please, everybody, please support our advocacy, the Philippine Spring Cleaning Day. That will happen on May 10, 2011. Alright?
For more information,
This event, pwede po ninyong gawin sa mga offices niyo po, tsaka sa sarili ninyong bahay. Tapos kung gusto niyo po malaman yung information about the advocacy, you can log on po sa philippinespringcleaningday.com. Yun po. Maraming po salamat.
Thank you.
Lahat niyo naman lahat ng Lysol products niyo. Yeah. Number one. Sige lang.
Ano kaya? Iba ba na? Number one.
Tama naman na cleaners. Dorsor sa kami. Okay, go. Japan.
Papadala kayo sa Japan.
Japan, Libya muna.
Tsunami.
Sa Kumera siya.
salamat po.
Thank you very much.